Tusting began in the late 1870s when the great-great-grandfather of the current directors opened a tannery. Tusting bags go all over the world, actually. They probably over half of what we manufacture here is exported. An awful lot goes to Japan. The American market is a good one for us as well. And the remainder is UK-based. Aston Martin, we've been making their luggage for their cars for very many years. So they come to who they consider to be the premium British luggage maker so that they can supply luggage which is commensurate with the quality of the Aston Martin vehicle. It's one of the things that Tusting is known for is our careful attention to our customer service. And Greentree keeps track of all of our customers, it keeps track of what they've bought, what they've inquired about, and it just increases the relevance we have to the customer. We don't expect anybody to be incredibly careful with their bags, but sometimes they get a bit tired, in which case we'll tidy them up and put them back together. And you can't get that from very many people that you would buy a bag from.
The basic process we have at Tusting is that we take skins of leather and we can two basic routes for us to do design of bags. One is where a customer will come to us with a specification. The other way for us to do it is that we will be looking for ourselves at what the range we want in the range, creating the patterns for it and prototyping from that through the hand cutting process right through to making the finished product. But Asia is different. It's a secondary part of our business. We have a finite volume we can make here, so we can make between 12 and 15,000 pieces here a year, depending on the sort of the size and complexity of the product. But we have customers who want 50,000 pieces a year. So for those customers, we're helping them source the product in Asia. So we work with partner factories in China and Vietnam. We use the Greentree to help with that sourcing process. We wanted much better visibility of our stock, more clarity in our usage of materials, and be able to predict what we're going to use going forward. Greentree has stock control, which is key for us. So on any bag we make, we identify a specification for that. It makes it much easier for us to control our production whenever it comes to the same product. Financially, again, that was one of the key things we wanted to do with Greentree, was generate a system that gave us much more up-to-date and current day-to-day information about how the company was faring financially. Moving to Greentree enabled us to have far better visibility of our inventory and had a far better understanding of the day-to-day flow of the money through the accounts. One of the prime reasons when we were thinking about Greentree was we needed something that would enable us to grow and develop, and Greentree is and will allow us to do that. I think we've got more than enough capacity for us to keep growing, and as a key building block of the business, it's there, and I'm very happy with that.